Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I want to welcome you to my kitchen. Okay, come with me and see what's cooking. Well, today I am cooking macaroni and some greens with potatoes and minced meat. If you want to see the ingredients or the recipe, please comment down below. Okay, our spaghetti, and there is our stew. Stew looks so delicious. So now I'm going to serve this. Here is our spaghetti and minced meat together with potatoes and some spinach as our stew. And let's enjoy. Okay, I'm coming with the recipe. So if you need the recipe for this dish, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel for more of this. And now for the ultimate tests. Mm, 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 I wish you were here to test. It's so delicious. Bye. Next time I'm coming with a recipe. So please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel for more of this. Cheers.